is up? I am in the city right now. After on the balcony, getting some sun. It's been fun. Toronto's been nice. People are nice. But again, the trip is just for the mind to experience traveling and working online. So we're here to not right now talk straight about biz. So yesterday I was doing a bit of work and I found a competitor that was funny. My friend's mom bought a similar product of mine when I went to Vancouver, and I asked where did she get it from. She showed me the brand. I took a good look at their brand, and they're very well established, and it's a new competitor that I'm going to be looking at and keeping an eye on in the moving forward and future of my own business. I realize that they do a lot of things different. Like their website is very simple but very professional, and I was considering before I run my next batch of ads to fix and make my website look more like them. But then I do realize that yes, it is a good move, but also my website's not the issue. I don't believe it is. So I don't think that should be my main focus and my main priority. I'm going to do a little tweaks here and there, but I don't think it's the reason why people don't buy. So I'm not going to be spending time where to expand the website like that, because in order for me to switch my website from how it looks now to theirs, it would take some time. Right now I'm really focusing on the ads because I do believe that is the issue. So I realized that also the way they run their ads, they're targeting only one country, so I want to target only one country as well. I know, I'm always going back and forth, but the last few days I was saying I'm going to test 5. Honestly, I think it's dumb, and let me explain to you why. I had the mentality of going straight in and saying, let's restart, completely brand new, but that would be dumb, and because I already have data. I've spent $400 plus on ads on this business, and I had gathered data from that, and through that data it is clearly showing a winner of a country. It would kind of be dumb for me to organize it. Ignore it. But so I'm gonna be doing that. So now I'm gonna look at to creating ads the next few days, and kind of make the ads more efficient. I'm not gonna record much like new clips or new media for it. It's more about efficiency and copywriting and knowing what your customer wants, and that's one of the most important things. I did want to talk about how sometimes in life we get through these ups and downs and our mind is not all there. And I feel like when people are in the position I used to be, where I didn't know what to do, like I didn't know what business model to start, and I would procrastinate and kind of keep pushing it back because I was still trying to figure it out. And that's okay. We all go through phases like that. I think the key part is your mindset. There was a time where my friends were all trading NFTs back then in like 2020 when NFTs were a thing. And I just got off a fresh breakup, so I wasn't in a clear mindset, and they were all grinding NFTs and I wasn't putting work into it. And they told me, they're like, you need to put more work. I need to work. And I was telling them, and I was getting insulted, but in reality it was because, yes, I wasn't putting enough work, but it's because I didn't have the right mindset. I was still out of shape. I got right off a breakup, and I didn't have the mindset to make money, to start a business. So instead, I took a step down. I went back and fixed myself, my mindset. I didn't think about business. I didn't think about any of that. I just fixed my mindset, my fitness, got my shit together. And then once I was ready, then I went to go get and start a business. Because now I've developed such a mindset where at the end of the day, the vision that I have is what I strive, the goal, the lifestyle I want to live. It's not like I don't really give a shit. I don't give a fuck about the business model. If there was one business model, if there was, I don't know, trading, let's say, day trading, for an example. I don't do day trading, but if that was a situation where that's the only one I could do to make money, okay, I'm fucking doing it. I need to get my lifestyle. I need to get the vision. So when you develop this strong mindset, then you just try stuff out, because at the end of the day, it's not the vehicle that gets you there. It's the destination. It's the lifestyle you want to live. I just, right now, tried a bunch of stuff for years and I stumbled upon e-commerce, and I somewhat enjoy it. I like it. It's a good vehicle for me. But I think a lot of people, they struggle with the business, and they're still trying to figure out like what to do and if they like it. But I don't think the issue is your business. I don't think the issue is your passion, following your passion. I think it's more your mindset. Fix your mindset, and then business comes along, follows along. Trust me, I've been in that situation. But again, just to wake up on a balcony with your boys in a new city, it's always the best feeling. Now I'm going to read a bit, do some work before we leave, and I hope everyone has an amazing day. Keep working hard, fix your mind. The mind is the most important thing. And I'll see you at the top.